everyone, I am Natasha, a recruiter here at Atlas MedStaff, and today with us on Tipsy Recruiter, we have a guest.
Tiffany Augusta, one of the allied recruiters. What are we making today, Natasha?
Today we are making a Purple Zydeco. Ooh. So this week it was Mardi Gras, so this drink, you know, if you remember for next year, you can make it, or if you want to just keep celebrating Mardi Gras, you can make it. So let's get started.
Okay.
First off, we're gonna start with vodka. So 2 ounces of vodka. Up. Good, wow, that was good.
I'm a professional.
And then we'll just pour, I'll tell you when. Since this is 1.5. When? Oh,
sorry.
Actually, we'll just keep filling that.
Okay.
And I'll use it for yours. There we go. All right, then 1 ounce of, so this is either called blue Curacao or blue Curacao. We don't really know.
I think Curacao sounds better.
Yeah,
okay.
We'll say Curacao. So 1 ounce of this. Good job, wow. And then 1 ounce of sweet and sour. There we go. Perfect. And then 1 ounce of grenadine.
Okay. This is the stuff they use for Sprite grenadine.
Yes.
Red Rockets or
Shirley Temples.
Got it, Shirley Temples.
I was trying to think of the name of it. I was like, what is the name of that?
Okay, time out. I hope you didn't get that on camera. Okay. Red Rockets, holy cow.
Okay, let's see how this drink is. It doesn't make a whole lot, so may want to double. But that's not very much at all, like the picture.
Okay.
We'll give this a stir. So they say this is a popular Mardi Gras drink because it has like a purple color. To make this fun and festive, you could rim the glass with colored sugar, like green, purple, and yellow.
It's more like a shot.
Yeah,
all right.
There we go. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, it's strong.
Strong.
Very.
Maybe we'll add a little bit more sweet and sour.
Maybe you could probably add some water.
Yeah. I swear that was right. Maybe we needed more. Oh, the splash of sweet and sour. Splash of sweet and sour, not 1 ounce.
Now this looks a lot better.
There we go. This doesn't look as scary. That was kind of like cough syrup with a kick.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's a lot better.
Much better. That's way better.
It almost tastes like a bomb pop.
Yes, it does. It does taste like a bomb pop. Well, hope you guys had a fun Mardi Gras and have a good weekend. Cheers.
Cheers.